Good morning, fellow citizens of Nigeria. My name is justadetoun.
Ọmọ bàbá Jagaban máa ti padà wá sọ̀rọ̀ sókè báyìí. Níbo la tún já sí báyìí torí Ọlọ́run. Ṣé kò ṣe pàwọ̀ ọmọ Nàìjíríà tí wọ́n ń chance báyìí? Tẹ́ bọ́ ṣe ń darapọ̀ mọ́ wa fún ìgbà àkọ́kọ́. Ìkànnì DIGINAIJA lẹ́wà yìí o. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ má gbàgbé láti bá wa tẹ subscribe button. Ẹ máa like video wa, ẹ máa comment under ẹ̀, ẹ dẹ̀ máa share káàkiri. Ẹ wo ẹ̀yin èèyàn, ẹ jẹ́ ká jọ gbọ́ gbogbo àṣírí tí justadetoun tú. Ẹ já jọ wò.
Wọ́n ní ọ̀rọ̀ tí ọlọ́gbọ́n bá sọ inú aṣiwèrè láti ń gbọ́. For so many years now, anybody who has wisdom, knowledge, and understanding will know how consistent I have been about Asiwaju's case. Listen, fellow Nigerians, there is just one person to be held responsible for this country. The name Nigeria got to a pause when it was in I. Asiwaju brought Buhari. Buhari used the whole I. The air remaining in Nigeria is in Asiwaju's hands. Roughly about 2 years ago, I did a video. And I said there's nothing anybody can do about it. Asiwaju is going to become the president of this country. Age, scam, name, scam, this. A lot of people didn't understand. But no song by money. The day will come, you all will remember this day. My Gen Z generation will call it clouds. The day has come. Asiwaju, mo fẹ́ kẹ́ gbọ́ mi kẹ́ dẹ̀ gbọ́ mi yé. Ibi tá jọ ń lọ la dé yìí o. Níjọ́ náà lọ́hùn tójú agbára ń pọ́n yín. You wanted to be the GCFR. You wanted to be called the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. It came from the depth of your heart. You were ambitious, but we serve a wonderful God. The Bible says, ask and it shall be given. Ibi àjùlọ tó fẹ́ fi iná jó yín ni mo fẹ́ gbé yín dé láàárọ̀ yìí. Olúwa gbọ́ àdúrà yín, Olúwa gbà fún yín. Níbi tẹ́ ẹ ti ń kánjú, ẹ ò padà béèrè kọ́kọ́rọ́. Olúwa gbà fún yín, ṣùgbọ́n ẹ ò ní k'Olúwa kó fún yín ṣe. Ẹ ò béèrè pé kí Olúwa kó fún yín ṣe. You understand what I'm saying? I understand very well. Àwọn ọmọ kékèké wọ̀nyí ni ò lè yé. Àwa ìṣara yín, àwa darapọ̀ mọ́ yín bí ni. Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu. This country is hanging on your neck. Wọ́n dẹ̀ bí bá bánlá ìjà tó lóyún ẹ̀rẹ̀ kó má fix here. You have to fix this country. You have no choice, my father. You have no choice, my father. It was a trade by barter transaction. And if anybody remembers very well in that video, when you Asiwaju ò ní jalè, àwọn tó máa ṣiṣẹ́ ló máa kó wá. Ibi èèyàn ti wọ ara yín nìyẹn o. Instead of you to now look for people that will walk this journey with you, they weren't there when you went down to ask for this mantle. Ẹ wá kó àwọn tẹ́tí jọ ń rìn bọ̀, àwọn trusted ally. Ẹ wá kó wọn tira. Ẹ ti gbàgbé pé májẹ̀mú ń bẹ. Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, Nigerians are holding you down. I am telling them, inti mo mo datu ni, if you do not fix this country, Asiwaju, we are no longer in the Nigeria of our desire and our hope. You didn't inherit a bad government. You played chess. We know the game very well. You played the chess to get here. Don't blame anybody. You brought Buhari. So don't come and seek pity. Ọ̀rọ̀ òye àwọn ọmọ wa ni. Ẹni ẹ lọ fọkàn balẹ̀. Ẹ máa wọlé, kò sí tó lè ṣẹlẹ̀. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni Olúwa náà sọ bẹ́ẹ̀. Ẹ lọ fọkàn balẹ̀ lówe lẹ́yìn o. Ẹ má rò pé nítorí pé kò yé wọn. Because people don't understand what that proverb is. Because you know that they never understood what you meant by that word. Asiwaju, ẹ lọ fọkàn balẹ̀. mo máa wọlé Aṣíwájú àti fọkànbalẹ̀ ẹ ti wọlé Olúwa gbà fún yín mo èmi ni mo kọ́kọ́ sọ torí pé mo wádìí yín bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe wádìí mi ni orí ọ̀fẹ́ yẹn ń bẹ lọ́wọ́ mi májẹ̀mú yẹn sì ń bẹ mo kẹ̀ sinmi lé mo jókòó lé tí ò sí kankan tí kankan nu yín lè ṣe. This generation is carried away. We are focused. Our children have become professors of crime. The medical system is not working. Insecurity has taken the mantle as the chief of operation. Dollar and pounds cannot speak anymore. People can't trade anymore. People can't run for medical support anymore. Even the people you call the APC members and all of them, they are languishing and mourning and crying daily. Aṣíwájú Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu, Bogu, fix this country. If you do not do it, as a matter of fact, there is nothing if you do not do it. You must do it. This is not a threat. This is a responsibility hanging on your neck. Remi is aware. Emo be sharing. Emo esetegbe. Emo eretesa. Wọ́n bí babánlá fada yín dá. Kẹjẹ́ kí Nigeria wọlé. You can't afford to allow this country to sink. I dare you. Ní gbogbo nǹkan tẹ́ fi kójọ pẹ̀lú ìran mẹ́wàá yín. Agbónámọ́ yín. How do you sleep and wake up? How do you and the Senate keep speaking values of billions of dollars and naira? And yet we cannot see anything effective. And you keep telling me you have master plan, kakulu for master plan. Aṣíwájú Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu, this country is hanging on your neck. Nigerians never knew. I am telling them now. The same me who told Nigerians you were going to become the president of this country. Olúwa sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Lowe, and I will continue to speak in Proverbs. Because I am not meant for everybody to understand. Only the wise will see through me. Aṣíwájú, Basheyi, you have no choice than to fix this country. I dare you. You understand very well that this country is hanging on your neck. How you want to fix it? Bada! Go back and ask for that key. Ìpọ́njú ò jẹ́ kẹ́ dúró béèrè tán. Olúwa gbọ́ yín. Olúwa gbà fún yín. Ẹni kí Olúwa kó fún yín ṣe. Tell God to give you the grace to do it. If we do not begin to see change, GCFR, hey, orúkọ ìyá ò sọ mí, GCFR, Aṣíwájú Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu, Nigeria is hanging on your neck. The blood of this country is hanging on your lineage. The bloodshed in this country is hanging on your lineage. Clean and wipe this country. Everything happening in this country is on your neck, Aṣíwájú Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu. Find a way to fix it. Remi Tinubu, find a way. Tell your husband the time is near. Tell your husband to fix this country. I am warning you, and I will continue to speak my truth and nothing. You can do everything humanly possible to bring this woman down, but you will never take the truth away from my mouth. Fix this country. Nigeria is hanging in your neck. All these ones you are doing, ni preamble ni. Ma dáná jó yín, ẹ ò ní ríwájú lọ, ẹ ò ní rẹ́yìn lọ, àfi bẹ́ẹ̀ bá tún orílẹ̀-èdè yìí ṣe. Wọn bí bàbá ńlá àwọn tó ń ro yín lágbára, kò sí nǹkan tẹ́ dá lè fi òtítọ́ ṣe. Unfortunately, our younger generation, they don't understand the gravity of the failure that is going to occur if you fail to fix this country. They are carried away in their own lusts. They are carried away in their own strength. They have nothing. They are not expecting anything from this government. They are not expecting anything from our leaders because they are no longer leaders of tomorrow. A lot of them have become professors of crime at the detriment of who they are supposed to be because of the same government. You have failed them. You have failed the youth. You failed the adults. You failed the old. You failed the aged. Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, fix this country. Nobody is begging you. You owe this country. You are indebted to this country. Let nobody be deceived. You must fix this country. You have to fix this country. I have no other place to call my motherland. And everything supersedes. The spirit of humanity. The spirit of humanity supersedes everything. And that spirit, you have to find a way. You have fulfilled your ambition. You now need to become the father of the nation. You have to. Everybody's your children now. It is no longer Sheyi and this and Toun. Gbogbo wa ti di ọmọ yín. Ẹ wá bẹ́ ṣe máa ṣe. Ẹ padà sí ìpìlẹ̀ ìrìn àjò yín kẹ́ lọ béèrè. Ẹ lọ béèrè bẹ́ ó ṣe yanjú ọ̀rọ̀ yìí. Nítorí Nigeria is on your neck. Yo, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, mo ń tẹnu mọ́. I'm saying it. You did not inherit a bad government. You did not. That was part of the chess game that you people played. Fix this country. Fix this country or else. Hey! Asiwaju, na so I go dey shout, they go. Fix this country. Me oberu ogun o. I no fear any war wey una wan bring for me. Mo dúró tán ni, make track ló ń bá yín sọ̀rọ̀. Ẹ rò pé ẹ ṣeré. Ẹ ti ṣeré tó, una don't play finish. You don't play finish. Una don't play. You better start getting to work and know how to fix this motherland. We are not joking. We are desperate for change. We are hungry for change. We are questing for change. Change is a burning fire, and it is only you that can fix it. No other person. It was a trade by barter transaction you had with God. You requested, He gave you. You forgot to collect your own assignment. I have brought the assignment message back to you.